How could you want to drive crazy in this? Like, you can't see, if you can look, you can't even see like 3 feet away, but you still got people out here ready to like risk it all. It's crazy. I don't even have, I always catch it right after it happens. So it's like, I grab the camera and go, I should have grabbed it and filmed that. But this is crazy, bro. Like, it's too foggy to be playing. You can't be playing. I don't play in regular days. I'm definitely not playing with people out here with this. This is crazy. And one thing I can say, like, the level of driving skill pre-pandemic to now is like people drive exponentially worse. It's like horrible now. People drive stupid. It's like everybody has to be in a rush to everywhere. I mean, it could be late in the afternoon, early in the morning. No matter what time of day, somebody is in a rush for something. And 90% of the time, I can tell that these people have nowhere to be, but they're in a rush to be nowhere. Those are the ones that are in a rush. The ones that don't really have a job to go to, don't really have anything important to, do. They just want to just be out doing 100 miles an hour. And they get mad when anybody driving like what 6 is. They get mad at you when they're doing 80 on the street. They're doing 80 on the street, and they're mad at you because you're doing the speed limit. The speed limit is 40. I mean, I understand it's a cushion that you can go maybe 5 more. I mean, but me, with dealing with the cops, I try to stay within that within 1 mile over of whatever the speed limit is, because I don't want to have to deal with the consequences of that action. But look, I mean, people are still driving like it's a regular day, another day, a normal regular day in the neighborhood. The roads are super slippery. The visibility's down, and you still want to drive like a maniac, running red lights like that truck just did. Like, that just don't make no sense. Don't know if y'all can hear it. Yeah, I gotta fix that. So my car's making this weird noise. I don't know if it's audible, if it's possible you could even hear it. It possibly could be many things, but I'm still lost on this noise. I was wondering, like, I don't know why I have that mask on. Oh, to hide my beard. Oh, y'all seen my gray hair before, it's cool. So it's making this weird noise, right? It's like a hum noise. It sounds like a turbine. You can hear it upon rev, but at an idle you don't hear it. Then when you rev up, it makes the noise again. Anytime and then once I get to 4th gear, right? For some reason, I always running shifted. But anyway, it's like I don't hear the noise anymore. Then when I go back to low gear or in park, I hear it's a hum noise, right? And I'm really like baffled on what it is. And is it like what we had with older cars? Since the newer cars, they have all these sensors and all these things that lets you know this sensor is affecting this to make this happen or whatever. But with an older car, your sensor is a noise. And then trying to figure out what could that noise be, you almost feel like a genius in a way. But I'm gonna punch back in. I have absolutely no idea what the heck is going on with this stupid car, but I'm gonna act like I know what I'm doing. Now where the hell did the noise go? Wait a minute, where did the noise go? Oh, hell no, where the fuck did the noise go? Oh, breaking news. Yeah, so the noise resolved itself, right? Which makes me kind of scared of why the fuck the noise just stopped it was making this noise, and all of a sudden I turned the car off, I turned it back on, it's not making that noise no more. But now it's sputtering a little bit, which it was already sputtering. So it's kind of a problem, but then it's kind of not of a problem. I don't know for sure. So when you don't know what you're doing, you leave the hard work to the professionals. So leave it to my boy, the youngin' that blessed me. I'm having a little, not running right. It's not bad. The sound went away. It was something in my fan, in my cooling fan. It was just like some debris. But now I'm just letting him go on and go touch the motor, give it a little, that TLC, If you don't know, he been in one video. I rode a car, that very, very fast bug. So that's him again. That's Omi Pop 22 on Instagram. Hopefully, after this video, he'll decide to go on and start his own YouTube channel because he is a Volkswagen aficionado. As you can see, he just like like father like son. If you seen the dude VW spot, that's his son, and they like the Volkswagen Kings. Look at this. They got multiple Volkswagens in various phases of restoration or customization. Oh yeah, it's purple, nice too. Well, 60 out of 69.
Either or.
Yeah, I thought it was special. Because you got the low back, so I can't all the way determine. The only way I can guess is for the transmission. Okay, I can check. Nope, can't check from the transmission because there's a motor in there. I would guess from the drums. Slade, you might know more than me. If you see this video, you'll know more than me. Okay, he smoothed the dash out like you did. I see what he. Okay. This is my body style I want to go for next, though. Yeah, he about to raise the car up and all that, Mo. Oh, you can't get out. I forgot he don't know how to get out. Oh. They was judging me when I was getting this. Them and the other homies, they was all judging me when I was getting the... Yeah. All right, so he just did the oil change. I forgot to film that. My bad, y'all. So now he's about to disconnect everything. And in a minute, we be back, and y'all gonna see a few more things. I don't want to hold the camera here the whole time, bugging him while he's trying to work. Yeah, so this is what you see in the beginning. You see something different by the end of it. Ooh, what's happening now? Now, see, at least I'm not a liar, and I didn't say I was doing any work myself. I never, once on this channel, ever said that I do any of the wrench turning. But I can actually turn wrenches, but I just, no. What's going to take him 15 minutes is going to take me 2 days. I don't have time like this. This is my daily driver, so I can't just be stuck. That makes sense to you?
I would never do nothing.
No.
He said I would never.
So I'm making a few changes. Got to look for a few parts. Yes, I told you I keep it junky. It's a reason. It's a method behind the madness. I have to find 2 more pieces that I don't know where I put them at. I thought I had the pulleys. I bought pulleys though. Look at the inside of that, man, y'all. Check that out. Look at this. I knew it was running bad, but
I don't like that. They don't even have actual marathon shit.
That's one.
Starting to look like something. You see it? Oh yeah, we almost done. I'm blowing smoke even when I'm not smoking. Oh, there's a switch. What time you gotta go back to out there?
Not tonight.
Yeah, she's ready. A little prettier. It should be pretty when I'm done, but you know, that just the 10 in there and all that, yeah, way better. And he did a whole lot of work to the motor, so now I don't have to worry about it sputtering and sounding like crap and a big puddle of black smoke coming out the exhaust pipes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, watch this, listen to it. Check out the ambiance. Woo. You got that love he said he's gonna do, I told you. Woo. Yeah. Now I can drive comfortably going back and forth to work and not be stressed out. Time for the test drive. So I start my maiden voyage with Umberto 1600 2.0. Yeah, figure it out right now when he opened it up.